The Zulu culture is known for its hospitality and its focus on sharing in terms of resources and food. Thus, visitors to South Africa will, no doubt, be invited to share in this intriguing part of the local culture. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Zulu Princess. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification button, like for more videos. The Zulu nation has a long and fascinating history. They have the largest representation in South Africa, and their culture has remained strong through the many generations. Zulu is part of the Bantu languages, along with Xhosa and a few lesser-known tongues. For centuries, tribes occupied the